I welcome all of you first of all in the lesson number 59 for grade 2 mathematics. What we are studying right now, we are studying basic fractions. We have learnt about the numerator, what is denominator, what is fraction. Okay, fraction is shows the part of a whole. Okay, what is numerator, what is denominator? Denominator shows how many equal parts are there. Numerator shows how many parts have been taken out or shredded, right? And we have practice for that also. Now coming to your book, it is on page number 80. Guys, open your books, page number 80. This is understanding fraction, right? So we will revise these concepts with the help of your book also. Can you cut these shapes into halves or quarters? Yes, we can cut this. If we cut from here, so we will see that it will be divided into equal parts. Why we need to cut? Why they are asking for cut? Because if we cut it from middle, we have to cut in that way so that we can divide in equal parts. Yes, we can divide this circle also, this square also, and this rectangle also. Okay, so we can cut the shapes into halves or quarters. Okay, look here. Wrinkles wants to share a waffle with bubbles. Okay, she wants to share a waffle with bubbles. This is the whole waffle she has. Okay, but what she did, she divided it into two equal parts. One of the parts she is going to eat, and one of the parts she is going to give it to bubble. So if I ask you how much part of the waffle or how much part of the waffle wrinkle and waffle both are going to eat, so you will say, sir, it will be half. It will be 1 divided by 2. It will be half. How do you know? Because you know the fraction, this is the whole, but you divide it into two equal parts. So how many total equal parts are there? There are two equal parts. So you will say, sir, there are two equal parts. And how many parts is Wrinkle going to eat from out of two? So she is going to eat only one part. So 1 out of 2. Okay. And if I ask about the bubble, so bubble is also going to eat half of the part. That means she is going to also eat 1 out of 2 equal parts, right? So we can say here 1 out of 2 equal parts can be written as 1 over 2, and we can also say this is half, and this is the fraction, that is 1 over 2. We have already studied that. Okay, so again, this is telling this 1 is the part of the whole that was given, that is going to be eaten by either wrinkle or bubble, and this is showing the total number of equal parts. That's mean denominator. Up to here, any problem, guys? Yes.
No, no,
No.
no,
No.
no,
No. No.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. So move to the next page, page number 81. Okay, guys, one more thing I would like to clear. Let's suppose Wrinkle has this waffle and she divided into two equal parts so that she can give to the Bubbles. But Bubbles say that I don't need it. Okay. Now Wrinkle will eat two parts out of two parts. So that means she is going to eat the full waffle. Why? Because Bubble doesn't want it. Okay. So if the Bubble doesn't want it, that's mean Wrinkle will eat. That's mean Wrinkle will eat two parts out of two parts. Two parts out of two parts, Wrinkle is going to eat. So if Wrinkle will eat two parts out of two parts, that means she is going to eat whole waffle. Okay. That's mean whenever you have same number in numerator and denominator, that is always equal to 1. Okay. This means whenever you have same number in numerator or in denominator, so they are equal to 1. How? Look here. This is the whole biscuit, a whole waffle. How many total parts are there? Two parts. Okay. If the both parts will be eaten by Wrinkle. So that means she is going to eat whole waffle. She is going to eat one waffle. Okay. She is not going to eat half now. Half she is going to eat from here and half she is going to eat from here. That means she is going to eat one. So this means half and half will make one. Half and half will make one. Okay. Coming to the page number 81 now. That was explained here that Wrinkle cut her waffle into two equal parts. So 2 out of 2 equal parts of this waffle is equal to one whole. Okay. If you are, if they both parts are taken by Wrinkle, that means she's going to take one. So 2 over 2 is another example of fraction, and 2 over 2 is actually equal to 1. Okay. And for fraction, guys, you should be divided into equal parts. Okay. A fraction shows a part of whole that is cut into equal parts. Like look at this one. If you divide it from here, so you cannot say that this is half. This is not the example of half. Why? Because you have not divided into equal parts. Okay. If you divide it from middle, if it is you divide it into middle, that then it will be half. Okay. Here we have some more examples of fraction. Like this is cake, and we have divided cake into three equal parts. This is the first part. Look here. This is the first part. This is the second part. And this is the third part. Okay. So we have divided into three equal parts. So if I ask you about write the fraction for this part, write a fraction for this part. So how you will write a fraction? I already taught you. You will see how many total number of equal parts are there. It is 1, 2, and 3. So you will see, sir, its denominator is 3. Here denominator is 3. Okay. If I want to eat that part, for this part, if I want to write fraction, so its numerator will be 1. So I know denominator and numerator, I can write its fraction, and its fraction will be, write numerator first, then slash, then denominator. So it will be 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 for all sliced parts. Okay. And how can we read 1 over 3, guys? We can read 1 over 3 as, this 1 over 3 as 1/3. How we can read? We can read as 1/3. If you want to read, if you have to read the fraction, you will read its first number like a cardinal number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. And the denominator, you will read it in ordinal number, like first, second, third, fourth, 5, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th, in that way. Okay. Again, I repeat, guys, if you want to write any fraction, if you want to read any fraction, so you will read, how you will read? You will read first number will be as cardinal, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1. And denominator you will read as an ordinal number. 5, you will not read, you will not write 1/5. You will write 1/5. Okay. And some fractions are constant, like 1 over 2 is equals to half. So you will not read 1/2. It is equals to half. You will say it is half. And 1 over 4 is equals to quarter. These are quarter, this is half. Other, you will say 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, 1/8. Okay. Do you understand it?
Okay,
Yes.
All right.
Yes, yeah.
All right. Let's move to the next page, guys. This is page number 81. sorry, page number 82. Fraction page number 82. Okay, guys, this is page number 82. Open your books, page number 82 now. Okay, on page number 82, you can find the different figures. This is a circle and it is divided into how many equal parts? You have to tell me, okay? Check here, guys. This circle is divided into how many equal parts? I'm asking about this one. Tell me, how many equal parts are there in this circles? Yes.
Here there is
Eight,
no
eight, six,
eight. This page number 83.
Page number 83. Yes, it is page number 83.
What page?
It is page number 83. This must be 81 then. All right. This is page number 83, guys. Yes. This is 1/8. Okay. Can you tell me how many equal parts are there? I'm going to open the chat and you have to answer me. This circle is divided into how many equal parts? You have to tell me, guys. Yes, this circle is divided into how many equal parts? 8, Saud, Asar, Os, Abdul Rahim, Fadi, Adam, Amal, Muhammad Farooq, Lias, Asar, Umar, Asar, very good. Sharif, Abdul Rahman, okay, very good, very good. Very good, guys. Oh, very good. All right, guys. Let's suppose this is the pizza, okay? Let's suppose this is the pizza. This is pizza. I will write here pizza. Consider this circle as a pizza, okay? Now, this is the blue one. The blue one is going to eat by my brother, and this is the yellow one. These yellow pieces are going to eat by me, okay? Yes, first, can you tell me who is going to eat more? Yes. Am I going to eat more pizza or my brother is going to eat more pizza?
Dad. Yellow.
Yellow, very good, very good. Okay. Okay, that's fine. But this is not right now we need, okay? So this is blue and this is yellow. We need to write its fraction.
Yellow.
We learned how to write fraction, okay? So let's write for blue. I'm going to write a fraction for the blue part. Blue part. Fraction. Okay. Blue part fraction. Yes. So I should know the numerator first for the blue part. Numerator shows the total number of parts that are shedded or that are taken out. If I am working for blue, I need to write a fraction for this blue part. So what should be the numerator? Write your answers in the chat. Yes, tell me the numerator for the blue one. Yes. 1, very good, very good. Khalid, not 8. Numerator I'm asking. Ilyas, very good. Muhammad Faraq, Yad Shami, Ayan, very good. Asar, Suleiman, Sharif. Sharif, not again, not again. Asar, very good. Muhammad Atam, not again. Muhammad Ashraf, good. Very good, very good. Very good, guys. Very good, very good. Okay. So the answer there, you are saying the numerator is 1 here. Why guys numerator is 1? Because numerator shows the part that are shaded or that are taken out. Okay. If we are writing for the blue fraction, so this is the only part which is shaded in blue color. So this is 1. So here numerator is 1. And I asked you before, what is denominator here? You tell me, because you tell me there are total 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here denominator is 8. So its fraction will be, first you will write numerator, which is 1, then slash, then you will write its denominator. So it will be 1 over 8. You can see 1 over 8. And how you will read it? 1 over 8, you will say 1 and then 8. Because denominator you always read like ordinal number. It is 1/8. Okay. Coming to the blue one, if you need to write for yellow part fraction, so what you will do here, you will write its numerator first again. Yes, guys, can you tell me what is the numerator of the blue of the yellow one? I'm going to open the chat. Yes, for the yellow part fraction, can you tell me the numerator here? Yes, Saud, Esther, Sharif, Abdul Rahman, Abdul Rahim. Don't answer too much, okay? Only one time. Abdul Rahim, again and again you are answering. Abdul Rahim, Abdul Rahim. Yes, Muhammad Iyas Shami, very good. Ilyas, Muhammad Hitam. Hatham only one time. Ahmad, very good. Esther, good. Iyas Shami only one time. Muhammad Ashraf, good. So guys, the numerator is 2 here. Why 2? Because there are 2 parts shaded in yellow color. So you will write its numerator, that is 2. And what is denominator for that? Denominator will be same. Why? Because the denominator shows how many total number of equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Total number of equal parts is 8. How you will write its fraction? You will write numerator first, 2 by 8. And how you will read it? You will say it's 2 8. Because denominator you always read it in that way. Is that okay? This is the same thing which we learned in the yesterday and before yesterday classes. All right. Same as if you come here, if you look at these boxes. So can you tell me the denominator for, can you tell me it is divided into how many equal parts? This figure. Yes. This one. Can you tell me it is divided into how many equal parts? Yes, guys. It is divided into how many equal parts?
Nine.
Someone is saying 9. Count it and then tell me. It is not 9. Can you tell me how many equal parts are there? Yes.
8.
The answer is 10. I will count for you also. Look here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It is divided into 10 equal parts. Okay. If you need to write a fraction for this purple one. Yes. Can you write the fraction for this purple one and send me in the chat box? But guys, don't send answers again and again. One student can answer only one time. Otherwise, I will cut your marks from the classwork. Okay. Now I'm going to open the chat. Please tell me the fraction. How can we write a fraction for this purple one? For purple part. Write a fraction for the purple part. Yes. Write the fraction for the purple part. Yeah, Shami, I need full fraction. No, 1/8 is not the answer. Sharif Ahmad, very good. Ilyas, very good. Not Asan, not one. Asan, not one. Yat Shami, not one. Muhammad Farooq, one. Very good. Saud, one. I need fraction, full fraction. I'm not asking for denominator, numerator. Adam, wrong. Muhammad Alabi, good. Rafiq Samir, good. Wait a while. I need to talk to this Muhammad Hatham. He doesn't understand what I'm saying. Wait for a while, guys. Where is this guy? Muhammad, can you hear me? Muhammad Hatham, can you hear me?
What's it?
Muhammad, did you listen to me? I told you to answer only one time. Why you are playing in the chat box? Should I close the chat? Should I?
No.
Do you want to participate or not?
No.
Answer only one time, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. 1/10. Yes, the answer is 1/10. Very good, very good. I'll tell you guys how. How the answer is 1/10, because we need to write, I ask you to write a full fraction, okay? I ask you to write full fraction. Look here. I'm going to write here for this figure, okay? And here I'm going to write for purple part fraction. Okay. So what is numerator here? I will see here. For purple, this is only one purple part is shaded, so numerator is 1. And what is denominator here? We have already checked the denominator is 10. These are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are total 10 equal parts. So how you will write its fraction? In fraction, you always write numerator first. Numerator is 1, and then you write its denominator, that is 10. So it will be, you will read it is as 1/10. It will be 1/10. Why 1/10? Because this denominator, you will read it as ordinal number. You will not say 1/10. It's 1/10. Is there any problem, guys? Yes.
No, no.
No, no, no. No, no. No, no. No, no.
Very good. Very good. Very good, guys. Now we are going to study about the unit fraction or non-unit fraction. Okay. I tell you guys what is unit fraction and what is non-unit fraction. Guys, any fraction. These are the different fractions. I'm going to write different fractions for you. These are some fractions, okay? What are unit fractions and what are non-unit fractions? Any fraction which is having 1 in its numerator, which is having 1, it is in its numerator, this is called unit fraction, okay? A fraction that has 1 in its numerator, this is known as unit fraction. Example, I give you example: 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, 1 over 5, 1 over 6, 1 over 7, 1 over 8, 1 over 9, and so on. Okay. So any fraction which is having 1 in its numerator, so this is known as unit fraction. If you have 1 in its numerator or at the top, so this is known as unit fraction. Here you can also see the number at the top of each of these fractions is 1. That's why these all fractions are unit fractions. So this is not a unit fraction. Why? Because there is 5. This is also not the unit fraction. Why? Because in numerator this is 3. This is unit fraction, yes. This is also unit fraction, yes. But this is not. Why? Because this is 4 in numerator. And this is also not. And it is unit fraction. So unit fraction, whenever you have 1 on the top of the fraction on its numerator, so that is known as unit fraction. Okay. Do you understand what is unit fraction, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now come to the exercise, guys. Practice zone. A pizza is divided into 5 equal parts. A pizza is divided into 5 equal slices. Jason ate 3 slices of the pizza. What fraction of the pizza did he eat? Guys, this is something very important. You have to understand it very carefully. So if you want to write a fraction of pizza, what did Jason eat? So you should know the denominator and numerator. So a pizza is divided into 5 equal slices. That means its denominator is 5. Okay. And how much Jason ate? Jason ate 3. So its numerator will be 3. Pizza is divided into 5 equal parts and Jason eat 3. Let's suppose this is the pizza. Okay. And I am making it also yellow. But this is divided into 5. This is divided into 8. So we cannot look here. But he ate 3 of 5. 3 out of 5 pizzas he eat. So how will you write its fraction? For fraction, you will write its numerator first. How much he eat? He ate 3 out of what? Out of total equal parts, they are 5. The answer will be 3 out of 5. You will write here 3. 3 up, you will write. And 5 down. 3 out of 5. He eat 3 out of 5. Yes, guys. Do you understand how it is 3 out of 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes.
All right. The another question is, guys, which of these are unit fraction? Circle them. So you have to circle the unit fractions here. 1 over 10 is unit fraction or not? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So circle it. One over 10. Okay. 3 over 5 is a unit fraction or not? Yes. 3 over 5.
No, no, no,
No, no, no, no, no.
Okay. That's mean we don't need to circle 3 over 5. Okay. After 1 over 10, which is the unit fraction? Tell me. Tell me that fraction. After 1 over 5, which is the unit fraction? Yes.
1, 3.
Very good. 1/3 or 1 over 3. Because this is 3 over 5. It's non-unit. It is also non-unit 3 over 4. Here you have 1 in the numerator. So this is the unit fraction. You will circle this also 1 over 3. Okay. After 1 over 3, which is the unit fraction? Yes. After 1 over 3, which is the unit fraction?
It is 1.
So the answer is 1/5. 3 over 8, you have 3 in the numerator, so it is not unit. 4 over 5, it is 4 in the unit in the numerator, so it is not unit fraction. But here you have 1, so this is unit fraction. And after this, another fraction we have is 4 over 6. So here 4 over 6, there is also not 1, so it is non-unit fraction. All right, guys. So today we completed page number 83 and you have understood about how to write a fraction, and we also did some practice here. Okay, so practice these fraction. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll continue from here. This is going to the end of our today's class. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Do you have any questions? Very good, very good. All right, say students, take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.